Hey Tiffany, how you doing? Okay, let's see. Where are we? Right here. This is really interesting and good stuff. Mars drinks. I've learned. This is great. Thank you so much for sharing this. Okay, so you've got all your ducks in a row, so to speak, and you got some really good research going on here. But I think that you don't have to resubmit or anything, but I want you to take a look at a couple of things that really will point to a more convincing presentation regarding sustainability. And that's basically has to do with materials. And the reason I say this is because I want you to keep this in mind and use this lecture towards your course project, which entails sustainably designing a trade show booth, a piece of collateral material, and a giveaway item. All three need to be designed sustainably. So what I want the takeaway from this exercise to be is the listing your materials. You started to do so. Let me just say that again. The most important thing that you can do while proving your sustainability is to show the materials that you're using and to explain by research and statistics why it is sustainable. So in other words, for me to say a statement like this, well, I'm going to package my widget in a cardboard box because cardboard's sustainable and cardboard's recyclable. Well, that's just touching the surface. That's a good introduction, but what we need to do is we need to take a look at that cardboard box, determine what it's made from, what kind of paper pulp. Is it virgin paper? Is it post-consumer paper? Has it already been recycled once or twice? And what is the carbon footprint associated with the production of that box? Okay, not only stopping there, but also look at the labels on the box. The ink, what are they made from? What's the ink made from? Is it vegetable-based ink, which would show sustainability? Or is it petroleum-based ink, which indicates non-sustainable materials? Okay, and another example would be to give statistics. You started to right here, but you're giving a lot of statistics just in like a wide kind of shotgun approach. By saying the first year lowering their carbon footprint by 31%. We need to know how, and we need to know how based on their materials. You did one really good thing here. This is fabulous. Where was it? Oh, here it is. So I would say the Clicks cups were made of recycled polystyrene, but in 2015, new cups were made with a middle layer of calcium carbonate, a natural, widely available that lowers environmental footprint than polystyrene. Give some research behind that. So it's like according to so-and-so, polystyrene is a widely available substance that has a lower environmental footprint. Okay, so in other words, you're pointing to some research that will back up that statement. That's really, really important. Okay, and then you say stuff like, okay, they have also reduced fossil fuel energy and water use at their factory by 63% in 2007. Tell us how. Exactly how. Okay, and that's the name of the game for your final project, okay, is taking a look, like let's say, for example, you have your trade show booth, and you're going to build your trade show booth out of, let's say, walls, sheets, curtains, tables, and a screen, okay? You need to tell us exactly what those walls are made from. You need to tell us where they came from, the materials they were made from, how they were produced, how they got to the trade show, how were they transported, how is the ink, how is the printing process, is it sustainable? What about the adhesive used to close the package and hold the package shut? All that stuff has to be looked at. So, like I said, you did a wonderful job, but I just really want you to keep those comments in mind, working towards your final project. Remember, it's all about proving sustainable materials. Okay? Awesome job. Thanks very much. Any questions, feel free to give me a holler. Thank you.